Okay, let's go find the ta. Now the ta is also same family. The ta can do exactly same things. If they are similar, they do exactly
Mm-hmm.
hiding techniques. This ta can hide from this side. This ta can become like a little tiny ta also, or
Mm-hmm.
entire full ta could be hiding.
Okay.
Well, okay, so let's go find the ta now. Okay, so let's go, let's go.
Ta
Yeah,
at
so
the end.
now this
Yes.
one, the ta is hiding as a whole entire big ta. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
let's go. Let's go find the ta in another area.
Ta.
Yes, now ta is doing that side thing, right?
Yes.
Right from here. Okay, good job. And
And ta again right there.
yes, ta again. Now ta is doing that other trick thing. Okay, that is correct. So the ta can hide from here. The ta can hide from as a side also. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
that these are all the ways a ta can hide, and this is very easy, mashallah. Okay, let's
Mm-hmm.
see this one. Is this ta?
Oh, yeah. Yes.
That's doing something totally different. The body is
Oh, okay, yeah, yeah. It
this.
looks more, yeah, rounded.
Yes, when you do this letter, you'll know that, oh, this is another letter. But since we've not done all
Okay.
letters, okay, so yes, this. How about this one? Is this ta?
Yes.
Well, this round big head is not needed.
Nota. Oh, okay.
No ta. Okay.
Okay. So nota, and then that one nota then.
Yes, no ta. That's right.
Okay.
Because this round big head is something different. Okay. So round big head
Okay.
and two dots is going to be another thing. Okay. So here,
Okay.
this was ta and this was ta, but the middle
Mhm.
one is not ta.
Not. Yeah, no, that
Round
one's
big
not.
head and two dots is something else. You'll know, inshallah.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
And if I say this is ta, you're just gonna say no. The dots are
No.
this cannot be ta. Okay, so
Hmm.
that's how the ta hides it. So the ba and the
Okay.
they do similar things. Alif ba, okay, ba ta, and now how about the tha? The tha is also the same shape. It's gonna do similar tricks also. The tha can
Hmm.
hide as a whole, or the tha can hide from its side part, or the tha can hide like this. It can become a little
Hmm.
tiny baby tha. Okay,
Okay.
let's go. Let's see if we can find any tha. Sometimes you won't find every single letter, but I
Hmm.
here. Okay, let's go.
There you
Let's
go.
go. What?
Ah.
Yes, that's the tha. This is not tha.
Mm-mm.
Hey,
Yeah, no.
job, mashallah. So that's how these letters can hide. So here,
Hmm.
I think I just found one tha, and that was it.
Hmm.
Yeah, so mashallah, that was letter tha. Okay, excellent. Mashallah. Let's go find the gym first. Okay.
Mm.
Let's
Mm.
go. Okay, so for the gym, now let's see what tricks the gym can do. Okay, the gym can hide as a whole. That's the first.
Hmm.
Yes, the gym can hide as a whole, or the gym can hide from its head part only. Okay, and the
Oh,
dot will
okay.
yes, the head part only, and the dot will be down. Okay,
Oh,
let's
okay.
go to gym. Okay, now we want gym. Just remember the head. Okay, the head and the
Okay.
down. Let's go find gym. Let's go find gym. This looks like
Jean?
head,
No?
but is in a different place. So it must be not. This must not be.
Okay.
Yes, but then how about this one?
Yes, this one Jean?
Yes, this is gym. Okay,
Okay.
the head is good. It's kind of
Mm-hmm.
straight, and the dot is down. Yes, this is
Okay.
okay. This is another letter which is from the same family, and the
Oh,
dot.
it's just on top. Yeah. So you want the dot below.
Yes, that's right. So
Okay.
this is another letter called kha, which we'll do inshallah next time. So this is,
Okay.
and there are three. They're just future work. So there are three jug-like bodies. One of them is called chim. The other one
Mm-hmm.
ha, it's gonna be no dot, and the third one is going to be ha. So that's how the
Okay.
three jump kind of body looks like. But today,
Oh, okay, okay.
yeah, that one is the ha which you could see, So
Oh,
this
okay.
ha that you could see.
Okay.
Okay, but today we are only interested in
Jean.
gene.
Okay.
Yay, mashallah, good job. So we did so good with fa, jim, letter ba, letter ta. We're doing very good. Alif.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go alif. Okay.
Okay, alif.
Yeah, alif. So the alif is in a way easy also. Now for the
Mm-hmm.
there are two kinds. There are, well, this is alif. Okay. Then I'm going to say
Mm-hmm.
there's another alif that is, I'm going to change its color. It's the alif that grabs. Okay, since
Okay.
we need an alif on its own, we need an alif that grabs, but it needs to grab that side from this side.
Okay.
Okay, and then there's going to be a slanted alif also. So this is also
Oh, okay.
slanted alif. Okay, let's see if maybe we find all three in this sheet. Okay,
Okay.
let's go. It's okay if they have this symbol on it. Okay, if they have this symbol on it, it's okay.
Mm-hmm.
They have this symbol on it. Okay, so this
Okay.
symbol just means go even longer. So the shape of the symbol is, gives us an instruction to go long. So this
Like
is,
extending the alif.
yeah, the sound.
Okay.
So if this sound was ah, this would go like ah.
Okay.
Ah.
Alif.
So we just for now we just need to. It's okay if we see the symbol, but we're not doing anything with the symbol. We're just saying alif, alif, alif. This is alif,
Okay.
this is grabbing alif, this is slanted alif, but we don't need to say grabbing or slanted alif, alif, alif. Okay, let's
Okay.
define. You'll be seeing this kind of.
Okay. Okay.
Let's go. Let's
Is
go.
that alif?
Yes, alif.
Okay.
That is right.
Alif.
Yep, that is correct. Okay, now I want to find a grabbing alif. Okay, so let's
Okay.
go. Let's go. So how about this one?
This one's alif.
Yes, that's
Okay.
alif.
So
That
with
is
the curve up top as well.
yes. It's a little curly from on top also. Alif does that. The slanting alif
Okay.
is also a little curly. You are correct. You did notice correctly. It's some
Okay.
You will see this kind of a thing going on top also. The alif when
So
it's down.
sometimes it's curved on the top and bottom, and sometimes it's just the bottom.
uh, you will always see this thing hanging on the top,
Okay. 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 Just
and,
want to make sure.
and then sometimes it's like this alif, okay, but the other ones
Mhm.
that the ones that join have this that curvy thing. Okay, so
Okay.
alif and then alif, this is one.
Alif. Okay.
Yes, and then let's go, how about this one?
This one also alif.
Excellent. Okay, now I
Okay.
let's see if I can find. Okay, so let's go.
Alif.
Yes.
That one's thick, but I don't.
Yeah, well, alif, and it's okay if it has that thing that go long. No problem.
Okay, so it is alif.
Yes, that's alif.
Okay.
If I read this word without the madda, the word is wara'ahu. If I read it with the madda,
Mm-hmm.
wara'ahu. So now you see
Mm.
the ra was sound, but if you add the madda to it, wara'ahu.
Okay.
That's this madda basically just makes the thing go long. Okay, let's
Okay.
go. Let's try to find one slanted alif. Okay, we don't have slanted alif here, but I will find it for you. Okay, let's go find one more alif. So
Is that
it's not
is that alif?
well
No, okay.
because it does look like alif, but it's like
Oh, not to it's on the opposite side. Okay.
the other way will not qualify.
Okay.
Okay, so
So is that alif right there?
yes, because
Okay.
get it connected through the right way. Okay, and this is also alif, the grabbing.
Alif. Okay.
Yes, and this is alif, the stick alif, the stick alif.
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Those are alifs. Okay.
yeah, mashallah.
Alif.
So this is correct. Okay, now this is a different sheet, and here I am now. Let's go find this slanted alif. Okay, the slanted
Slanted
alif
alif.
will be a little. It's gonna be a little thicker also. Okay, it's gonna be a little
Mm-hmm.
thicker also.
Okay.
Okay, it's just calligraphy. Okay, let's go now. Okay, where's my bouncy ball? Okay, let's go. Trying to find this. Okay, find every single alif. Okay,
Okay. Alif.
and that is correct. What is this?
Alif. Right there. Alif.
That's right. And this alif is our new alif, the slanted alif.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, correct.
That
Let's
one's
go
it. Okay.
find alif. Let's go find.
Alif right there. And
Yes,
alif right there.
yes, exactly. It's joining the right way, and it has that thing also, that little tiny
Mm-hmm.
also. Okay, so no hook, and this is turning the opposite way. We don't
So not alif.
that does not qualify.
And
Okay.
then is that alif in the middle or not? Not this one, but this one's alif right here. The one that you were bouncing on?
Yes. Well, this
Okay.
one here, right now I'm not counting it because it has something on it, So when
Mm-hmm.
there's something on it, I don't call it alif exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So alif, all of them, just this symbol is okay.
Okay.
But
Okay.
symbol, the symbol that elongates is okay. All the other
Mm-hmm.
symbols, for now, I'm not going to
Different.
try this.
Yeah.
Later on, we'll find
Okay.
out alif needs to be long, and this is kind of a shorter.
Mhm. Okay. Okay.
Mashallah. I'll let my other student come in, but I'll still be with you for one more minute,
Okay.
inshallah.
No worries. Mhm.
Okay, so mashallah, let's go.